They grown too close together, but if we gave them a little bit more space, man, them things would be busting. I'm trying to tell y'all right now. Y'all have to come over here for me. Just want to show you something else real quick. It's hard work right here. It's hard work right there. I don't want to hear nothing about it. You keep telling me eating good, eating healthy is expensive. Everything's expensive at this point. Everything's expensive. But I always say this, it can be a lot cheaper if you take the time to actually grow your own foods. And you can do it too. Actually, zucchini is one of the easiest to grow. Something that we had no issues with growing so far. But just want to share with you a little bit. This is another update on our garden. As you can see, we started getting a lot more of it done. Look at this end right here. Knocked it out. All these weeds. All those weeds by hand. All those weeds by hand. Now you can actually see the onion. You can actually see the onion. Once again, this bushel of onions is too close. You want them like this for the most part. We're going to tell you when you learn from our failures. I accidentally pulled one of our flowers up, unfortunately. As you can see, once again, okra. 1, 2, and you're going to see some more when we actually get to cleaning it up. And beets, once again, they grown too close together. But if we gave them a little bit more space, man, them things would be busting. I'm trying to tell y'all right now. I'm trying to tell you. As you can see, we get busy. When it comes down to what we do, we invest a lot of time and energy. We have made some slip-ups. And like I said, I'm going to give you a few updates on things that you can tighten up on to have a better gardening experience.